Now observe it here. Actually, slowly observe it here. Everyone knows Oracle is a relational database software. And also, if you want to operate a Oracle database, then we are using three languages. One is SQL, another one is PL/SQL, another one is dynamic SQL. Okay, up to this one, okay. But unfortunately, here, observe it here, in a screen, observe it. In a screen only, you are observing or not, 1 minute, observe it here. Here, something is there. What is this one? Anybody tell me? Very good. SQL plus is there. What is this one? This is a tool or language or database or anything. Confusing. Very good. This is a tool. This is a tool only. This is a tool. Client tool or query tool. What is this one means? I will tell you. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose now concentrate. Here I am installing a Oracle software. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Very important. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, in a future you are also installing. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, automatically some place is reserved in a disk. This is called database. Okay, now Oracle database, for example. Okay, Oracle database. Oracle database, some place only. Now, I am a user, you are a user, for example. Otherwise, employee, for example. Now this user wants to store some data into this database, for example. They want to store data into this database. And also this user wants to fetch means retrieve, fetch data from database. This user want to fetch data from database. Okay, yeah. If any user wants to store some data into a database or any user wants to fetch or retrieve some data from Oracle database, then that user uses two-step process, not a single step. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. That's why what is SQL, what is SQL plus, what is a database, confusing. Two-step process. Here, two-step process. What are the steps are there means, observe it here. First step, step one. What is the step one means? Here, connect is a step. Here, connect is a step is there. In this connect step only, one example is some tools we are using only. What are the tools are there? SQL plus is a tool. Toad is a tool. SQL developer is a tool. These are all the things I am drawing the diagram, then you are understandable. Again, step 2 means communication. Communication. And now observe it here. In this communication, they are using a what? Which languages? Here SQL and PL/SQL languages they are using. PL/SQL languages. This first step through, I am drawing the diagrams, then you are understandable. What is this tool? Really, this tool is required to load? No. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is created. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. That is a client tool connect to the server. Then only we are interacting with the what server by using SQL language, PL/SQL language only. How and what is that one means one by one we are learning. So today one diagram is there. Through that one, everyone understood. I'm drawing the diagram, but before that one, these things write it. This notes write it, Oracle 19C. Up to 10 or 15 days, we are writing a notes also. Why? Because first time, no, non-technical person purpose. Write it, Oracle 19C. Oracle is an, write it. One fellow is telling Rakesh, you are telling correct. Oracle is an relational database. Oracle is an relational database which is used to store data. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data. permanently in secondary storage devices. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. These are first one SQL, second one PL SQL, third one dynamic SQL. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. These are first one SQL, second one PL SQL, third one dynamic SQL. Write it next pair. If any user, write it. Then I am drawing the diagram, then you understand. If any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, if any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. If any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. These are step 1, connect. Example, SQL plus tool. Step 2, communication. Step 2, communication. Example, SQL, PL SQL languages. Write it this one. Step 1, connect SQL plus tool. Example. Step 2, communication. Example, SQL, PL SQL languages. First step today, at least you are understandable. Write it. Step 1, connect. Step 1, connect. Step 1, connect. Okay. What is this connect means? Observe it here. Concentrate. Very, 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 very important. Now slowly observe it here. Don't write it only. For at least 3 minutes observe it here. Then only you are drawing the diagram. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software, for example. Then automatically some place is created in a disk only. This is called database, Oracle database. It is a place. Okay, fine. Now, you are a first time newcomer. This database is also called a server. This is a client server architecture actually. Suppose I am a user is there, for example, don't write it, just observe here, user is there. This user, otherwise I am also, you are also, anybody, okay, one user is there. This user wants to talk to this database. Wants to talk to this database means maybe they want to communicate with this database. Maybe some operations they want to perform. If this user wants to communicate with this database means then that user uses which language? SQL is a language. Very good. So many fellows are telling SQL language only, but unfortunately this is wrong one. So many fellows are thinking like this. Impossible. Any user also directly communicate with our database server. Impossible. This is client server architecture. That's why first this user connect to the client tool. Through that client tool only they are connect to the server. Then only those users are communicate with the database by using SQL language. That much of powerful. That's why here user is there. These users are connect to the where client tools first. These are client tools or query tools. Today I am drawing the diagram. Then you are understandable. Client tool or query tools only. Then only through that query tools only, now they are communicate with the what database by using a what SQL and PL/SQL languages. I am drawing the diagram. So now then today you are understandable. Why? Because so many newcomers doesn't know what are the explicit tools are there, what is the default tool is there. They doesn't know. That is a problem. That's why first time drawing the diagram means then theoretically so many things are there. You are understandable. First observe it here. At least 2 minutes observe it here. Now check it out. Today some problem network is lately connected. Now check it out. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. Don't write it. Just observe it here. I'm installing a Oracle software. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved. This is Oracle database, DB. Okay. Na? This Oracle database is a collection of database objects are there. Tables, you have an idea? No? Same like tables, views, synonyms, sequences, indexes, procedures, functions, materialized views, indexes, clusters, packages, cursor. So many database objects are there. Don't worry. These are all the things in a future you are also familiar. At least that is tables, you are understandable. Okay, without any knowledge. Here, these are called professional way, collection of database objects. These are collection of database objects. These are collection of database objects. Now check it out. Now check it out. Here, one user is there. Okay, fine. This user first connect to the where users. Okay, user first connect to the where client tool. First connect to the where client tool. And now here this is a client tool is there. For example, these users, any users are connect to the where client tool or query tool. This tool is also called as client tool or client server attached. Client tool or query tool. Now here, then only these users are through this client tool through their communicate with the what? They're connect to the server, Oracle server, and then only they are using a what? SQL language. Here, structured query language. I will show you practically also, don't worry. Here, structured query language. Structured query language. Okay, and now what are the query tools are available or client tools are available means these tools purpose I am trying the what a diagram this one. What are the examples are there in a query tools means maybe so many fellows having idea real-time programmers are there means in our class they have an idea. Observe here. First non-technical person point of view I am telling. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically one tool is there, client tool in that software. What is that one? Very good. SQL plus tool. This is SQL star plus or SQL plus client tool. This tool is a default tool. We are not required to install this tool. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, automatically Oracle Corporation providing a what? This tool only. That's why this is a default tool. This is default tool. Now, again, explicitly some other tools are available. Suppose anybody working in a company side, so many companies are providing a what explicit tools. So that is explicitly installing a what those tools only. That is not a default tool. Those are GUI tools. Now, what are the tools are available means maybe Toad is a tool is there. Toad is a tool is there in SQL Server also, Oracle also. That will be there. I will show you practically. Toad is a tool is there. Next, here SQL developer, SQL developer is a tool is there. Again, another tool is what? PLSQL developer is a tool is there. Not a job that one. PLSQL developer is a tool name. The GUI tool developer is a tool. Again, another one is SQL navigator is a tool. SQL Navigator is a tool. Now these tools, some companies different tools they are providing only. Most popular tool is SQL developer or PL SQL developer or Toad only. SQL Navigator very rare cases. Now these are explicit tools. You are interested to install means install it. Now here these tools are GUI tools. These are graphical user interface tools. Graphical user interface GUI tools only. These tools are graphical user interface tools only. Okay, na? Yeah. Now that's why here now SQL Plus is a default tool. Suppose observe it here. I'm installing a Oracle software. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically here Oracle is there. Don't worry. This is one of the stages I will tell you. Here SQL Plus tool is there or not? This is a default tool. I am not installing this tool, but explicitly this will be there. Username, passwords. Next we are learning because so many things are there today. That concept actually, but network problem lately connected. No, yeah. So now here like this. Now this is connected to the where database or not? Yes. That's why here. Here observe SQL Plus tool is a what? Command line interface tool, but Toad, SQL developer, PL SQL developer, SQL Navigator, these tools are okay. Graphical user interface, GUI tools only. Okay, at least some theory write it at least today, first time now. Now write it. Step 1, connect. Then only you are drawing the diagram. Step 1, connect, write it. If any user okay, 1 minute wait only. Okay, yeah. If any user, fastly you are ready. Tomorrow I will tell you because another class is there. They are telling some other fellows. Okay, not a problem. If any user wants to perform 1 minute only, just write it first time. Okay. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. Next para write it. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. That's why SQL Plus is a default tool. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. That's why SQL Plus is a default tool. Okay, up to this one is enough. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. I will tell you. Okay, remaining okay diagram and some other so many things are there. I'm telling tomorrow. Okay, because some fellows are requesting another class is there. Okay, not a problem. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Maybe tomorrow they are changing a what link only. That's why get registered. Okay, tomorrow continue. Thank you. Tomorrow you are trying the diagram. Don't worry. Okay, tomorrow continue. Thank you. This theory very easy. Gonna tomorrow at 4 p.m. we'll continue. Thank you.